Hi everybody, this is Kara Johnstad, voice visionary and founder of Voice Your Essence, where we help people reclaim their voice, connecting them with their writing voice, connecting them as songwriters to get their songs out there, and connecting also them with their speaking voices and singing voices. So everything that is revolving around voice is what we do at Voice Your Essence. And today I have a great article that I'd like to share with you that I just finished for the e-zine, and it's entitled The Tao of Rap. So chant is a living art. It has been around for centuries. Music has a pulse, a pace, and a pattern. So do words. We are fond of words, for word is bond. We are bonded together through our words, linked to each other through our shared stories. As Tupac Shakur said, "Here's a message to the newborns waiting to breathe. If you believe, then you can achieve. Just look at me, against all odds, though life is hard, we carry on." So yes, everything that lives has this pulse, this pace, and there's always a pattern to be found. When we rap and chant, we take our even heartbeat and the sound of our footsteps and breathe life into our visions by adding word. We speak our thoughts and pace our days by syncing our words to the rhythms of our heart, word patterns. We follow the flow, we are the beat, and in chant and rap, we learn to keep time with the times. You will not be able to stay home, brother. You will not be able to plug in, turn on, and cop out. You will not be able to lose yourself on skag and skip out for a beer during commercials, because the revolution will not be televised. Those are very, very famous lines by the great Jill Scott Heron. Rap was present long before anyone associated it with a music genre. The word originally meant to hit, and in the 16th century, it was interchangeable with to say. The shorter Oxford English Dictionary gives a date of 1541 for the first recorded use of the word rap, with the meaning to utter, especially an oath, sharply, vigorously, or suddenly. So though we know rap as a term used by the music industry, we have been rapping as a humanity for centuries. We are bonded through chants and raps, and this is why it's disheartening to see that rap has gotten, yes, a bad rap. Nowadays, we think of rap as being violent and invasive. We find the lyrics often abusive and the words degrading. It's saddening, as the origins of rap was to protect groups of people from the dehumanization of their world. Raps and chants were created to empower, to heal, and to build strong community. Again, pulse, pace, pattern. Rap enables the left brain to talk to the body and anchor new mindsets and restore health. It anchors belief systems into our bones and bonds us as a society together. What are the values and visions that we deem important for our world? Human rights, wellness, body-mind-spirit connection, kindness, compassion, beauty, the environment, unconditional love, social activism. A steady current pulses through our veins, a steady breath that shoots roots through our brains. Words sprout where we had doubt, and truth begins to reveal itself as we feel the real deal behind what we're all about, as we embody the power of spoken word. Kate Tempest said, "There's always been heroes and there's always been villains, and the stakes may have changed, but really there's no difference. There's always been greed and heartbreak and ambition and bravery and love and trespass and contrition. We're the same beings that began, still living all of our fury and foulness and friction, everyday odysseys, dreams and decisions. The stories are there if you listen." Spoken poetry and rap are both based on the same essence: content, flow, and delivery, pulse, pace, pattern. The difference is rap is performed in time with a beat. It can be performed with or without accompaniment, but there is always a clear, strong, rhythmical beat present, and that beat revolves around 4/4. Rap is sacred. Rap is powerful. Rap is having a message that you wish to communicate. Rap is about passion and urgency. If you know your body and your stories, you have the right to rap. If you possess a certain truth that you wish to share, then you too can rap. We have been rapping and tapping as a humanity for centuries. Rap is healing and revealing. It should be used with care to enlighten and bear witness to our troubled lives. As everything that is spoken in rhythm and rhyme can shift the mind and change the times, it is a tool given to the foolish and to the wise to salve the wounds and open our eyes. Words rapped soak into our skin, heal ancient wounds and bring to light the treasures within. The wisdoms we have seldom shared, how we believe and how we have cared. We appreciate the messengers who carry us on, who lift us up when we are beat, lying exhausted and tired in the street. We honor the songs that uplift us to continue on in good faith, with hope in our eyes. Rap crosses borders. It is not only for the young, but also for the old. It is not solely for the meek, but also the bold. The magic is this: even stroke victims, those that are language impaired and disabled, who are not able to understand plainly spoken word, they are still able to understand words that are expressed in rhythm and rhyme. This is the magic and power of chants and rap. Why? Because our brain processes speech that is expressed in rhythm and rhyme differently from regular speech. Speaking in poetic rap while working or walking or dancing has been with us for centuries. Everything is content flow and the delivery of this flow into the heart and souls of our community. Begin your own explorations with rap. Tap your hands in 4 beats, accenting the first beat, and continue to talk as you tap. See how easy it is to start tapping into your inner well of wisdom and bring that essence out into the world. So I thank you very much for being with me today here at the Voice Your Essence podcast. If you'd like to have more information and get these podcasts and the articles delivered straight into your inbox, opt in at karajohnstad.com. That's KARAJOHNSTAD.com. And we have beautiful gifts waiting for you. In the moment, we have a great meditation, Voice Your Essence meditation, connecting you to your inner voice. And often we send out invitations to live stream parties or we send MP3s of the new singles that we're working on in studio. So those are all there for you if you join the community at karajohnstad.com. If you're on social media, feel free to join me at facebook.com/karajohnstad.official or come to facebook.com/voiceyouressence. I'm also on Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, and having a fabulous time in the moment on Pinterest, where we are uploading new sutras and new quotes for the forthcoming book of Kara Sutras, which is coming out at the end of this year. So once again, thank you for sharing the work and for connecting. I look forward to answering your emails and sharing your comments. And until we meet again, stay gold. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Past cross for a time, only to part again. Always moving, always letting go, always moving. That's the way to grow.